Welcome back to our next lecture, which is evolution. Today, we are going to explore one of the most fascinating, important, and sometimes misunderstood concepts in all of biology: evolution. Evolution is not just something that happened in the past with dinosaurs or cavemen. It's happening right now in your life, in the environment, in medicine, and even in the food you eat. Life is always changing, and that change is called evolution. So, what is evolution and why should we care about it? Evolution is the gradual change in living organisms over generations. These changes happen through genetic mutations and natural processes. Over time, these small changes can lead to the development of entirely new species. Imagine life as a great tree. Each branch represents a species. Over millions of years, new branches split off, while some disappear. That's evolution, the natural force behind the diversity of life on Earth. The most famous scientist connected with evolution is Charles Darwin. In 1831, he went on a voyage to the Galapagos Islands, where he studied animals like finches with different beak shapes. From these observations, he developed the theory of natural selection, which he explained in his famous book on the origin of species. Here question is, magnifying glass tilted left, how does evolution happen? There are 4 major reasons evolution happens. 1. Mutation. Small changes in DNA occur randomly. Some are helpful, some harmful. Most are neutral. 2. Variation. No two individuals are exactly alike. Some traits give advantages. 3. Natural selection. The fittest organisms survive and pass on their traits. 4. Time. Evolution is slow. It needs thousands or millions of years to show major changes. Let's discuss it with an example. Imagine a group of birds living on an island with only hard seeds to eat. Birds with short beaks struggle to crack the seeds, while those with strong, thick beaks can eat easily. Over time, birds with better beaks survive, reproduce, and pass their traits to the next generation. This is natural selection in action. Scientists support evolution with strong evidence. 1. Fossils show how life has changed over time. 2. DNA similarities. All living organisms share genetic material. 3. Comparative anatomy. Body structures, like bones, show relationships. 4. Embryology. Similar patterns in the development of embryos suggest common ancestry. Human evolution. Humans did not appear all of a sudden. We evolved slowly from ape-like ancestors over millions of years. Fossils show how early humans learned to walk upright, use tools, and develop language. We didn't come from monkeys. Instead, humans and monkeys share a common ancestor. You might be wondering, how does evolution affect me today? Let's look at some real-life examples. Medicine antibiotic resistance is a big problem. Bacteria evolve quickly. When we overuse antibiotics, only resistant bacteria survive. They multiply and become stronger. That's evolution in fast forward. Agriculture. Pesticides and herbicides stop working over time because insects and weeds evolve resistance. Climate change. As the environment changes, animals and plants must evolve or face extinction. Understanding evolution helps scientists protect endangered species. COVID-19. Remember the virus variants like Delta and Omicron? That's evolution. The virus changed its genetic material over time. So, is evolution always helpful? Not always. Evolution has beneficial and harmful effects. Sometimes creates new, better adapted species, helps organisms survive changing environments, leads to innovations like antibiotic resistance, good in bacteria for them, bad for us. But harmful mutations can lead to diseases like cancer or genetic disorders. Some evolved traits may no longer suit our lifestyle, e.g., wisdom teeth. Resistance in bacteria and pests makes treatment and farming harder. Evolution explains why life exists in such variety. It helps us understand why some animals fly, swim, or crawl, why humans are similar to chimps and yet different, why some people are lactose intolerant while others digest milk easily. It gives us a scientific view of life's journey, not only how we got here but where we might go in the future. Think. Ask yourself, why do some people have different skin colors? Why do birds in different areas have different beaks? Why are some viruses harder to kill? All these questions can be answered through the lens of evolution. Evolution is the slow change in species over generations. It happens through mutation, variation, natural selection, and time. Darwin explained evolution through natural selection. It affects medicine, farming, climate science, and even viruses today. Evolution has both positive and negative impacts on our lives. It is a powerful, ongoing process that explains the diversity of life. Dear students, evolution is not just a theory in books. It's a living, breathing process happening all around you. From how we treat diseases, to how we grow food, to how animals and humans change, evolution is the key to understanding life itself. Thank you.